Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran and this is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we are making Thanksgiving food for you. So Ian and I are going to prepare our whole chicken because for us, this is our faux turkey. I mentioned, we could not find a turkey. And the truth is that Thanksgiving can be whatever meat you use. Some people don't have turkey at all or chicken. You know, it's whatever works in your lifestyle with your family and your budget. And so whole chicken is part of the poultry family. It's a baby turkey. Well, it's not really a turkey, but it's from that family. Chicken. And so, you know, we're going to use that. And so I did this one and Ian's going to do this one so you can see it. And we did finish brining our chicken. So, and patted it dry. And so Ian is now going to stuff it with our bouquet garni, which consists of parsley,
basil, bay leaf, thyme, and one more I remember, sage,
and rosemary.
Rosemary, that's right.
So we have all 5 herbs that he made into a bouquet, and he's going to put it inside, shove it inside the cavity, which has already been cleaned out.
Of course, all the way in there.
And then you're going to place it. I have 3 cloves of garlic as well.
Yeah, pretty close. Hold on, let me get all the way in there.
Place it right on top of it.
Yeah, right on top of it. Okay.
And then we're going to take...
Let me get the other ones in there.
A quarter onion.
Yeah, Mom. Let me get that other one over here. It was caught in the cavity.
Okay. And he's going to put that on the side, and that's going to help keep your chicken nice and moist. And see? He's shoving that in. I'm going to lay that down, Ian, it may be better. All right, wonderful.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put some butter that I put with some Montreal chicken garlic seasoning. That's all here. And I'm going to cover and massage our breast all underneath here.
Massaging it gives it a little tenderness.
Well, and massaging it makes it, you know, have that nice, good cooking of the moisture in it as well. Texture. Yeah. Okay. And then that'll help too when we go to air fry it once it's roasted. It'll help to crisp up the skin as well.
Oh, cool.
So we put a little bit here on the outside as well. Now that I've done inside. And then Ian is going to inject it.
Oh boy, look at that fun.
So we can get more flavor in here. Just kind of like
inject the
massage these beautiful little legs. Okay, and our little wings, where we're gonna tie it down afterwards. Get our little.
You're gonna give you some rope. Well,
yeah.
No. Yeah, I can touch the rope now.
Okay.
No. I'm gonna do it this way.
With nothing left. Okay.
Like that for now.
All right, and so now this is all here, and you've stuffed it.
Yes.
So let's begin to that old drumstick. Well, Ian, you know, as I'm showing them, I'll insert the picture. There was absolutely no meat whatsoever when I went to buy this.
Is that telling you what's going on out there, huh, Mom?
It's definitely saying that these are very interesting times.
Yes, it is.
But I noticed that a lot of things are going quick. I think yesterday was I guess thank God I had already got my brown sugar. But, you know, my husband went to take a look and get some other stuff for me. And there was no brown sugar whatsoever.
No brown sugar?
Nope. No brown sugar. At that one store that we went to.
You know what?
You have to look for the parts where there's meat, not where there's bone. That's what it is. So get in here. You have to look where there is. Yeah.
There's some more. You know
what I think is kind of also going on. I think that I think there's a shortage of food.
What did I tell you the other day? I remember telling you there was a shortage. Friend of salt. I think there was some type of salt problem down south.
Really?
Yeah, near the South Florida, way south, like Homestead.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I think what it is that a lot of people, that's why they're starting to buy things now, because literally Thanksgiving is almost a month away.
Right.
And that's going to go by so quickly. And with people not being able to find things as, they normally would, they're starting to purchase things early. And that's because there's a shortage,
Incredible.
So keep injecting. Yeah, keep going. And try to move up there too. Okay. See some more fuller parts.
But it's filling up over there.
Okay.
I can feel it over here.
All right.
Get some more.
Get some more on the other side, and then we'll tie this down.
All right.
And we will put this in our air fryer, but we have it on roasting. Mm-hmm. So this will roast for us. And then once it's done, then we'll put it on fryer to get it to kind of coat up and crisp up.
Doing this, I should have went to med school.
Okay, you want to move it around? Put it a little bit.
Yeah, there you go.
Finish it out. Yeah,
right here.
Okay.
Oh, it's bumping up. And
give it all that flavor. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay, but you got to finish it out, you.
There you go, right.
Try to get
right here.
Finish out your injection. Try your other leg.
Yeah.
And then finish it out right here.
Yeah, right there.
All right.
Here we go.
All right. So now let's get
I need to
come back
and tie this back.
Yes, but I need to move the chicken.
Okay.
So we need to tie this for sure.
Right?
Yeah, keep going. I'm pulling the legs for you. Yep.
Tie this one here with this.
Okay, you want to pull this one too, so
okay.
Yeah.
Come back around with this.
So exactly. So we're tying the legs now, and then we're gonna tie the wings.
Yeah.
You ain't got a little bit too much twine, but that's okay. That's okay. All right, now try the other one.
Better tight than never.
That's true too. Okay, that's good. That's good to tie. Okay. How you gonna come around?
This one. That should be all right.
But how? With the tie, you're in the same place, E. So I'm not.
Did I double wrap the wrong way?
Kind of, sort of.
All right.
But just trying to figure it out.
I was never a Texas Longhorn, Mom. Even though my kid goes to school up there, I was never a Texas Longhorn.
I see. So what does that all mean? I'm not quite.
Roping the calf and tying them up by the legs.
Yeah, we got a problem, though.
Oh, yeah. What do you want me to do?
Because at some point, after. Okay, so gotta do it over.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah, that's right where it was.
I don't think so, because you have to be able to. Okay. So should be crisscross applesauce.
Yes.
To kind of tie it. Right. This is good. It's a little too much string. So we tie it right here. You don't have to make a bow. You could just put just a second knot. I have a bow.
Slice. This is enough
for the wing.
Yeah, I think these are enough for the wing.
Yeah.
Or for the belly.
Okay. This is
Can you see it?
Yeah. Cut this here.
Mix on natural TV. Real time. Yeah. And I wish.
No. You're gonna open this. No. Hold on.
These aren't the sharpest tools in the deck.
No, but you can make it work.
All right.
Hold on. Sterilize your scissors after using them if you're not using kitchen shears. So.
Go.
There we go. Okay. Now you have to tuck your wings so your doesn't get burned. Tuck your tips in.
That's the reason.
Okay, so now we're gonna set up our little baby bird. Okay, Ian. Hold on.
Okay.
We'll come down a little bit. Hold on. Hold on to the baby. Okay.
All right.
All right, keep going.
Well, this one's.
Now go put that one around.
Yeah. I didn't think I have enough.
Oh, now he doesn't have it. You hear this, guys? Now he doesn't have enough.
I go for
That's
a lot.
because he didn't measure him.
I just took a wing.
Oh, Lord.
Literally speaking, I took a wing and a prayer.
We're going to pray he sure did. And that's, well, I'm going to tell you a couple of ways that you went wrong.
Okay.
If you notice, there's a room here.
Yeah, that's right.
So that wasn't tight.
That's the reason.
Okay. And you didn't start off with it even. It's almost like when you're putting your laces in and you kind of go like this and you line them up.
You want it evenly.
Right.
Okay.
So maybe Ian's not ready to make a turkey by himself or a chicken by
Oh,
himself
no.
yet.
Not like this. Not tying them up and over
But
there.
you guys are voting.
Yeah.
And you're saying he needs to make mashed potatoes. So he's going to
I'll make mashed
do them
potatoes.
today.
Yeah, I'll make mashed potatoes today.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
actually, we're gonna
the
go
baby's right here. So we're going to put
Put it
this in
right.
our little silicone.
right here.
Okay.
And we're going to put it in the fryer.
Yep.